Okay, I choose the fire safety at home as my theme. By developing it, we can know some common sense about the fire safety at home, like how to use the flame arrestor and how to find the emergency exit as quickly as possible. And there are a lot of resources online, and today we can use a website called YouTube to find some resource about this thing. First, we enter the YouTube at Google, click on and enter the fire safety at home. After that, it shows a lot of resources. We can see a lot of video about this thing. We can click on one and it will show.
Let's suppose that you're writing a really